Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kajabi for membership sites step by step clearly. To activate Kajabi for membership sites, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Products section in the left-hand menu. Click on Products to open the Products overview. To create a new membership site, click the New Product button. Select Membership from the product options provided. Enter a name for your membership site in the designated field. Choose a unique URL slug for easy access to your site. Now, click Create Product to proceed with the setup. You will be directed to the membership site editor. Begin by customizing the description of your membership. Add images or videos that represent your brand. Set up categories to organize your content effectively. Now, navigate to the Content tab to add your membership materials. Click New Post to start adding new content. Fill in the title and the content for your first post. Save your progress by clicking the Save button. Repeat this process for additional posts or content pieces. Next, go to the Settings tab on the left menu. Under Settings, configure membership access options. Decide if you want to limit access to certain content. Set pricing for your membership if you plan to charge members. You can select a one-time fee, subscription, or payment plan options. After you finalize the settings, save your changes. If your membership is ready to launch, navigate back to the dashboard. Click the Launch button for your membership site. Confirm that all settings are correct before going live. Your Kajabi membership site is now activated and ready for members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.